Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can easily deposit money on Coinbase. So let's start. It's really simple. So what you want to do is just click portfolio. When you're gonna click on portfolio, you're gonna see your assets here, and it really depends what currency you have, but based on the currency, just click on like euro. And now you're gonna see deposit or withdraw. So what you want to do is just simply click deposit, and now you can simply add your bank name, full name, and transfer limit. So let's say I'm going to go full name, 100 euro, continue. Now you need to have a reference number. I've copied it, just copy it and just paste it in Notepad, click continue, and then you need to send this amount to this IBAN if you're from the Europe. And then I've sent these funds, and voila, then you just like gonna wait for it. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.